Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily Health Shift. I'm Daniel. Today's topic is sleep health basics, how to improve sleep for better energy and longevity. Sleep is one of the most underestimated health pillars, yet it affects everything from mental clarity to metabolism. Today I'll share why sleep matters, common mistakes, my personal experience, and a step-by-step guide to building a better sleep routine starting tonight. Good sleep supports immune function, mental health, weight management, and even heart health. The CDC reports that adults who sleep less than 7 hours per night have a higher risk of obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, and depression. Beyond these risks, sleep quality directly influences cognitive function. Studies from Harvard Medical School show that poor sleep reduces problem-solving skills, attention span, and memory consolidation by up to 40%. Personally, I used to believe I could power through on 5 to 6 hours of sleep until I noticed consistent brain fog and sluggish workouts. Once I committed to improving my sleep routine, I found my energy levels rising, my mood stabilizing, and my overall productivity doubling. Listener story. Laura from Texas said, "Once I fixed my sleep, I stopped craving sugar all day and had more patience with my kids." Her experience reflects what research confirms. Sleep deprivation disrupts appetite-regulating hormones like ghrelin and leptin, increasing sugar cravings and emotional reactivity. Here's the key takeaway. Prioritizing sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's fundamental to long-term health, clear thinking, emotional balance, and physical vitality. Mistake 1. Irregular sleep-wake times. Your circadian rhythm thrives on consistency. Going to bed and waking up at different times daily confuses your internal clock, reducing sleep quality. Mistake 2. Caffeine too late in the day. Caffeine has a half-life of 5 to 6 hours. Consuming coffee, tea, or energy drinks after 2 p.m. can delay sleep onset and reduce deep sleep stages. Mistake 3. Blue light exposure before bed. Devices emit blue light that suppresses melatonin production, delaying your body's natural sleep signals. Using screens right before bed is one of the biggest sleep disruptors. Mistake 4. Overthinking while lying in bed. Stress and mental clutter keep the brain active. Without a wind-down routine, many people lay awake rehashing the day. Mistake 5. Using alcohol as a sleep aid. While alcohol may help you fall asleep faster, it disrupts sleep architecture, reducing REM sleep and leading to fragmented, unrefreshing rest. Here's my personal sleep toolkit, broken down step by step. Fixed sleep-wake time window. I aim for 10:30 p.m., 6:30 a.m. every day, including weekends. Limiting caffeine after 2 p.m. My last cup of coffee is always before lunch. Evening wind-down routine. 1 hour before bed, I power down devices, stretch lightly, journal for 5 minutes, gratitude plus tomorrow's top priorities, and read physical books, keeping the bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. I maintain the room temperature around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, use blackout curtains and white noise for consistency, using magnesium supplements and herbal teas. I take 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate about 30 minutes before bed and sip chamomile tea as part of my wind down. Listener story. Mark from California shared, "By setting my phone aside an hour before bed, my sleep improved dramatically." His experience echoes what I hear from clients often. Small changes in routine produce major sleep quality improvements. Step 1. Set a consistent sleep-wake schedule. Choose a realistic bedtime and wake-up time that allows for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Set alarms not just to wake up, but also to remind you to start winding down at night. Step 2. Design a 30 to 60-minute pre-sleep routine. Include calming activities like stretching, journaling, meditation, or reading. Avoid stimulating activities such as social media scrolling or intense discussions. Step 3. Optimize your sleep environment. Check temperature, noise, light, and bedding comfort. Invest in blackout curtains, white noise machines, and quality pillows or mattresses, if needed. Step 4. Track sleep quality using a journal or app. Log bedtime, wake time, estimated hours slept, and a 1-10 rating on how refreshed you feel each morning. Adjust habits based on trends. Bonus step. Plan for travel and weekends. Bring sleep essentials like eye masks and earplugs when traveling. Stick to your schedule as closely as possible, even on weekends, to maintain rhythm. By following these steps, you can build a reliable sleep routine that enhances both daily performance and long-term health. Alright friends, that's it for today's episode. If this helped you, share it with someone working on their sleep health. And if you want more real-world health advice, subscribe to the Daily Health Shift. Next week, we're diving into practical nutrition strategies for busy lifestyles. I'll see you then.